Guess what? Teens out there are raking in thousands of dollars every single month, and they're doing it through something super cool called TikTok automation. Might sound unbelievable, but it's true. The TikTok creativity program beta is actually paying folks for the views they rack up. Think about it, $1 for every 1,000 views. And let me tell you, from my own experience in automating social media, snagging a few million views on short-form platforms like YouTube and TikTok isn't as tough as it sounds. So, what's the game plan? I'm here to guide you through the A to Z of launching your very own TikTok page in a super hot, viral niche. We're not just talking about making videos, we're talking about crafting videos that stand out and get noticed. So without further ado, let's dive in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. First of all, let's select a niche. Always select a niche with high demand but low competition. Don't select a crapy niche like motivation. Although motivation has a huge demand, but there is a lot of competition. Many big and renowned creators are already working on motivation niche. So, let's try something new. Let's watch this video.
ChatGPT, show me Chinese New Year.
Vibrant and
more Asians fighting over the bill.
who gets to pay the
Unlimited relatives.
Looking interesting? Actually, people love to watch this type of content. And the most fun fact, you can create this kind of video with the help of AI. They are simply asking ChatGPT to generate some kind of content in different values. We will also create this kind of video. Let's start the process. I will create images with ChatGPT and DALL-E. It's only for paid subscribers. If you don't have ChatGPT Plus, you can use any free image generator. Okay, for example, I will create pancakes with different prices. After coming to ChatGPT, I am simply typing, ChatGPT, show me a $1 pancake. It will generate 2 images for us. After getting the first result, I will ask for a $100 pancake. It generates 2 images for us. Now, to create controversy, I am asking to remove the leaf from the pancake image. This way creates conversation and generates images as many as possible. You may notice, I have generated 11 images with ChatGPT and DALL-E. Our first step is completed. In the second step, I will create a voiceover with the conversation between me and ChatGPT. To do this, I will use an AI tool called DupDub. I will put the link in the description. After coming to the DupDub homepage, simply click on the Sign Up button and then create an account. After creating an account, your interface will be like this one. DupDub is not just an ordinary text-to-speech tool. It's a complete tools hub for creators. Here you can generate voiceovers, clone your voice, generate talking avatars, generate blog posts, and even edit your video. We already made a video on how you can create a complete video with DupDub. You can watch it from the I button. Alright, this time, I will generate a voiceover. So, select the AI voiceover tool. This is the voiceover generator page. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first command you have given to ChatGPT, and then paste it into the DupDub script box. After entering the script, we have to select the voice actor. To do this, click here. Now you will find a vast library of voice actors. You can set a filter to find the desired one. I will set the quality to ultra to find the best voices. Now listen to some of them and then select your desired voice actor. After selecting the voice actor, hit the play button from here to hear a preview.
ChatGPT, show me a $1 pancake.
If you are not satisfied, you can customize the setting to make it perfect. I discussed the process in detail in this video. If you haven't watched it yet, go and watch from the I button. Okay, once you are satisfied with the output, hit the export button. The audio will be saved on your device. Now come back to ChatGPT again, copy the first answer text of ChatGPT, and replace the script text from DupDub with it. Now change the voice actor again. For the ChatGPT answer, I will use a female voice. After selecting the voice actor, listen to a preview and then export the audio clip. After exporting the second video clip, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second command. Generate a voiceover with the first voice actor and download it on your device. In this way, generate voiceovers with all of the commands and answer in ascending order. Our second step is completed. Now it's time to move forward to the third step. In this step, I will generate avatar videos with the voiceover we have generated. To do this, select the AI avatar from the DupDub homepage. This is the DupDub Talking Avatar Generator page. Here you can upload your own avatar image and animate it, or generate a new avatar image from here. You can use a template avatar also. I will generate a new avatar image. Enter a detailed prompt here, after that hit the Generate button. DupDub will generate 4 images for you. Select the best one. After selecting the avatar image, we have to upload or generate voiceover here. As we already generate voice, I will select the upload option. Now click here and then upload the first voiceover. After uploading the voiceover, click on the Save button from here and then hit the Generate Talking Avatar button from here. Now it will take some time to generate the video. At this time, I will generate another avatar for the ChatGPT answer. Click on the Create Your Avatar button from here. As we generate ChatGPT answers voiceover in a female voice, this time I will select a female template avatar. After selecting the avatar, click on Next from here. After that, come to the Upload tab and upload the second voiceover. After uploading the voiceover clip, click on the Save button and then hit the Generate Talking Avatar button. Here you can see that our first avatar video is ready.
ChatGPT, show me a $1 pancake.
Click on the Download button from here to save the video on your device. Alright, both our command and avatar images have been created. Now we will create videos with these avatars. Our third voiceover is for the command. To generate a video with the third voice clip, select the man avatar and click on the Apply button. On the next page, click on the Next button. Now come to the Upload tab, upload the third audio clip, and generate a talking avatar. In this way, generate talking avatar videos with all of the voice clips and then download the videos on your device. Alright, our talking avatar videos are ready. Now it's time to go to the final step. In this step, we combine all of the avatar videos in ChatGPT images with a video editor called CapCut. You can use both the web version and the desktop version. I will use the desktop version. After opening the CapCut video editor, import all the video clips into the media bin. Now insert them into the timeline in ascending order. After inserting all of the video clips, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 as we are making a video for TikTok. After that, adjust the avatar video size according to the canvas. Fill the canvas with the video only for the command part. In the answer part, we will import the ChatGPT result images. Insert the images according to the answer. After doing that, we will add animation to all of the images to make it more attractive. Next, add transitions between the video clips. After all of this, add the background music to the video. You will find music on CapCut or can use an external BGM also. Reduce the BGM volume and then adjust the length. After all is set, hit the Export button. It will take some time to export the video. Let's first forward this part. And our video is ready. Let's have a look.
ChatGPT, show me a $1 pancake.
Here is the $1 pancake.
Please take a look.
Show me a $100 pancake.
Here's the $100 pancake.
Please take a look.
I don't like leaf. Please remove the leaf.
Here is the updated image of the $100 pancake without the leaf garnish.
I can see the leaf still now.
I've updated the images to ensure there are no leaf garnishes on the pancake.
Show me a leaf?
Here are the images of a leaf.
That's right. Please remove any kind of leaf from my pancake.
I've updated the images of the pancake to ensure that it is completely free of any kind of leaf garnish.
You didn't remove the leaf. Just remove it.
I've created images of the pancake without any leaf garnishes, focusing solely on the pancake itself.
Show me a $1,000 pancake.
Here are the images of the $1,000 pancake.
Show me a $1 million pancake.
Here are the images of the $1 million pancake.
Show me a $1 trillion pancake.
Here are the images of the $1 trillion pancake.
I think it's quite good in inserting videos. You can make it better than me by giving some extra effort. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating TikTok automation videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!